Hi guys, another day of working on the Ranchero. This time we got some redneck recycle oil. Tires look good. I put air in them yesterday. There's the air filter we got for it. Here's the oil. Yeah, I know you guys might think it looks familiar.
Same bottles.
Because it was. This oil was in my truck. But it didn't look that bad, so I decided to change it out. How much gas in here? Got my phone again. All that junk Lisa left in the back here for storage. Hey, look at that original mirror for it. Ow, ow. It's that passenger side mirror. No, driver's mirror. Side yourself, guys. Best you can. Alright. Raffal is out there. Got my gear here. So let's get to work. Assuming I don't knock that over. Good. Huh. Same as we did with my Ranger. But this one's probably going to look a little bit chunky. So, that's a nice truck. And it's suburban. Alright, let's get to work now. Gotta put this down. Oh, we're still having trouble with the truck. You know why? Because I'm pushing as hard as I can, right? Oh, look at that. The brakes are still sticking on it. I'll show it to you when I get it out, if I ever. Up on the open. I cleaned out the reservoir. I finally got it open. So let's take a look. Show it to you guys. And I put some fresh fluid in there. I guess maybe there was something jammed up in the wheel cylinders or something. I might have to rebuild them. Or leave me a comment on that, guys. What do you guys might think it might be? That might be the problem with the brakes, that they're still on.
Or partially on.
Alright, found the oil filter now. Back to work. Right there. Well, let's get underneath it real fast. Oh, ow. It's in my arm yesterday or something. Hurts a little. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's right. I think you guys can see it right there.
Nope.
Sorry about that transfer, guys. The camera turned off when I put it down. So, pretty decent. And all drums, all four of them. And look at that right there. I think that's right there.
Spider.
There's a dead spider right there. Huh. Little lead things that were always on the Camaro when I had over there in my ads. From this. Pretty good ship. I think I need to add some air there. Little bug. Bye. Not you guys. The bug. Alright, let's get to work. Oh, look at that pour. Yeah! I wonder if he goes this way. I see him over here sometimes. Let's see. You guys could bear a minute. Nope, I guess not. Alright. Had this thing for 28 years. No, it didn't look like it to me. No, I don't think so about that. Hope I can get on there and change it. On my truck I did. Then we're gonna cold start this thing. You guys will see how hard it is to run this thing when it's cold. I think the carburetor is not the best anymore. Alright. Here's my hat. Alright, let's get under here. Had a hard enough time to get that thing out from under there. Loose, at least. So to put the jack there and get some... Hope I didn't strip it out. No, it's sounded good. Let's show you that well. Hope you guys can see right there now, though. Not, I apologize.
Wow, it's better than I thought it would be.
Let's see. Oops, I turned it the wrong way. Oops, I almost got hit too, guys. felt something moving in here. So. More leverage. I have been changed for 30 years. That oil. I mean that plug in there, or oil. Yeah, there's the brake stuff right there. Yeah, I don't have the strength in my arms here to pull it out. Got about a couple inches left on the suspension here with this. Alright, well, stop the video, get the stuff in there, so I can get the oil to drain. Oil's draining. Boy, is it dirty. Hey guys! Have a little break with me, guys. Yeah, who cares? But it's still going. Yeah. It's hard as hell enough time to get that thing out. So, pain in the neck.
Spilled some oil too.
I know, guys, it's been some time since I worked on it. But this thing had a catastrophic failure, that filter. You know why? Because I got pissed off with this piece of shit. Hard about my words, but it really is, though. Try it with a screwdriver like I did with a Camaro. It didn't come off. It screwed it up. Here's the center part of it. Off and on that whole time. I've been off YouTube. That's what I've been doing with it. Hey, garbage picked a rag from the trash can right here. Didn't smell that bad. Not even dirty. Wonder what Lisa's doing over there with it. Sorry. I wish I could show you, but look at the marks right here. One at it.
It's a rim.
And right here. This baby's turning off. But I can't show it to you. I got nothing to hold it with. So. Uh-oh. Yeah! Whoop. Oh, there it goes. Damn, it's sharp as hell. Let's see if I can break those.
Ah.
I know it's pathetic. I can't get a good grip on it. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Piece of junk. Oh, there was stuff in there.
Crud.
I know, but there's no point in recycling. It's tore up anyway.
There's all the parts. Red.
Yeah, that was my uncle's idea a long time ago, trying to take something off. I did with a starter, which I got the cover on now. Well, what's left right there around it? Of an orange juice container. Alright, let's strip this thing and see if there's any kind of a ring around it. Nope, it's clean.
Gasket sometimes.
Garbage pick rag. Yeah, this thing knows not to screw with me. What is it? No, it's just old technology. And guys, I also garbage picked some oil from a real close relative of this truck. My truck. No, but I know what you guys are thinking, but I make some I'd say some thicker oil in there from the truck. Let's hope this thing's not 7 quarts or 6. Oh, well, I got it if I need it.
Hey, you want to smoke, man?
Alright, we're gonna start putting the oil in. Blaster. Oh, look at that giant ass smoke up there. Look at. Extra.
No funnel.
Yeah, no,
Oops.
it's almost dark. It wants to rain. I guess we'll probably actually. Oops, same one again. Probably end up starting this thing up with a fresh oil in it. Fresher oil. Here, let me give you a shot of it. It was fresh. Maybe it's just from the. Oh, yeah, I can see it a little bit right here. It's empty. Well, I'm gonna have to put the rest of that in here. Hopefully, it's enough room in there, and get to have it recycled. I really gotta get me a soda soon. Oh, it's going in now. That's stupid there. Stupid catcher. That's a nice truck. I wonder if it's diesel. Somebody's in a hurry. Should be done now. Okay guys, it's getting late now. Had my truck over there hidden. So I gotta go now. Bye guys. So I gotta go now.